Good morning everyone, welcome in the science class. Today we are going to start chapter 6 of class 3, that is parts of plant. Children, we know that a plant life begins as a seed. A seed contains a baby plant inside in it. When the seed gets proper amount of air, water and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. Now let's learn about the parts of plant. Like our body, plant has also many parts. Parts of plant can be distinguished into two groups, root system and the shoot system. Root system contains root and the shoot system contains stem, leaf, branches, fruits, flowers, seed, etc. Now first is root. So the underground part of the plant is called as root. The part of the plant which is below to the ground is called as root. We cannot see the root from the upper surface of the ground. Roots are almost brown in color. Roots are two types, taproot and fibrous root. Taproot are those roots which has only one main root. It are very thick. Taproot have only few branches. Some examples of taproot are carrot, turnip, radish, pea, etc. Fibrous root have lots of branches and grew on the lower surface of the stem. It has many branches. Some examples of fibrous root are rice, wheat, maize, etc. Now let's learn about the function of root. So the function of root are: it holds the plant firmly to the soil, it absorbs nutrient and water from the soil and passes to the plant. It stores food for the plant. Now next is shoot system. So the above part of the plant is called as shoot. Shoot contain stem, leaf, branches, flower, fruit, etc. Let's learn about stem. So the above part of the plant is called as stem. Stem is also called as root. Stem is also called as shoot and trunk. Stem are also two types: thick and woody stem and green and soft stem. Some plants have thick, woody and strong stem such as called as trunk. Some examples of thick and woody stem are mango tree, banyan tree, peepal tree, etc. Some plants have weak, green and soft stem. Examples are herbs, clambers, creeper, banana tree, etc. The function of stem are: it holds the plant upright. It supports the upper part of the plant. It carries the nutrient and water from the different part of the plant. It carries also food which are made by the leaves to different part of the plant. Next is leaf. Leaves are different color, shape and sizes. Most leaves are green in colors. Leaves are broad and flat. Leaves are almost green in color because the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. Leaves are also called as food factory of plant or the kitchen of the plant because it makes the food for the plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight. This is called as photosynthesis. The function of leaf is it helps the plant to breathe. On the lower surface there are tiny pores are present called as stomata. It also makes the food for the plant. These food are used for the growth of the plant. Next is flower. The most beautiful part of the plant is called as flower. Flower come in different shapes, sizes and color. It makes the plant very beautiful. Most of the flower grow into a fruit. The function of fruit is it is the reproductive part of the plant and it grow into a fruit. Next is fruit. Fruit contains seed and a seed contains a baby plant inside it. Most of the fruit contain many seeds such as papaya, watermelon, etc. Some fruit contain few seeds such as apples, orange, etc. Some fruit contain only one seed. Mango, plum are the example of one seed fruit. Next is seed. A seed contains a baby plant inside it. When a seed gets enough amount of air, water and sunlight, they grow into a new plant. That's all in this chapter, children. I hope that you easily understood this chapter. So your homework is draw a well-labeled diagram of parts of plant and mention their parts. That's all for the day. Thank you.